This is an educational video. Contents are for adults 21 years of age or older. We're legal. Nothing is for sale. I'm not providing any sources. I'm only documenting my growth. They call me Barry Allen. I am the Flash. Jokes aside, what's good? What's good, world? This is your boy, the Cosmic Cultivator. I appreciate each and every one of you for joining me, checking out this video, wondering what is happening. We took the steps. We went all in, and we're now taking down that budget 4x8x8 grow tent that we got from eBay, and decided that we're gonna agree upgrading to this here VIVOSUN 4x4x8 Pro tent. I don't know much about it. I just figured that this would be the next friendly budget tent to go for. I'm not gonna drop names, but I'm still trying to go after one of those big brand name grow tents as well, just to compare to these budget quote unquote tents. I want to try to go for the actual other grow tents that everybody is still recommending in the comments, but yeah, we're still going and rocking with the VIVOSUN for now because it is of good quality. I do like it as well. It's getting the job done comparative to the last tents that I had. And for this part right here, you got to make sure that you need to find the actual zippers for the plant. I mean, you need to find the zippers for the tent. You need to connect the zippers together in order for the zippers to open up the tent, because the zippers are separated from each other to keep the tent closed while in packaging or shipping. So if you search around for both sides of the zippers and you connect both sides of the zippers together, then only then will you be able to open your tent, such as here. I found both sides, I connected them, and I was finally able to open up the tent. And you'll be able to do this with one person too. Look at the amount of space that I do have. I barely have any room to maneuver around this little area, and I'm still able to build this tent and shimmy it into the corner. One of the things that people don't really tell you about growing is that you need to always keep your environment clean, and that's one of the things that takes a little bit of while or a little bit of time to get to doing. Is when you're trying to grow right now. You're not trying to clean your tent out. So right now, even though it's a new tent, we're here cleaning out the tent with some little Clorox wipes or Clorox wipe sheets just to clean out the tent, clean the fan out, and we're gonna leave it for a little bit over 24 hours just to have it in stasis mode, or have the fans and environment running. Look at that butt. You saw that? That was my butt. Yep, we're still here cleaning. Nice. We're halfway finished there. Let's go, baby. You see that right there? I am building PCs too as well. So if that's something you dabble into as well, let me know in the comments below, man. I like building PCs. And here we are. Let's get the exhaust fan and the light attached to the system, or the setup here. Let me know also in the comments below, like, what are you up to? What are you growing on right now? What are you growing on right now? What is your setup looking like? I really want to know. And for the reveal, we still have our OG Kush from, I think, 3 or 4 videos ago when I first started growing this here photo period. There we go. Perfect. All right. Let me know in the comments below what you're growing on right now, what your setup is looking like. And as always, this is your boy, the Cosmic Cultivator. Until the next one, peace out.